Hey guys, in this video we visited the Vanderhoof International Air Show. It was really fun and we got to see a lot of cool planes. One of them was this B-17, which was pretty awesome. I hope you enjoy and please like and subscribe.
He knows one of the curators there, so I'm just like, I can get you in the FKT. So like, my brother was kind of fun. You might get me in, you ain't getting me out though. Hold on, we're buttering up this race. Look at him. I think that it's smoked. Oh, she's smoking. Wow, that's really amazing.
Stupid zoom. It's just
cool if you fired off a bunch of blanks.
Imagine they had blanks loaded in all them bow guns or the turret guns, and then they just come over like shooting. Oh yeah, 100%.
Sadly, what a waste.
Can't even see the bastards.
Stupid siren.
Look like a complete noob about playing that.
After watching the B-17, they led us onto the tarmac to look at the other planes. One that I thought was really cool is this P-51. There's so many people here.
Oh, I require secret dealings for that.
those numbers.
Nice.
They got dummy rockets on there too.
So this is a M60 gun pod.
Anyway, we had a great time at the air show. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for the next one.